I've been watching you from afar. You're Jesus, right? The one all the Christians talk about?
Yes, that's me. What brings you here today, Alex?
I guess I just wanted to see if you're for real. I've always had a lot of questions about Christianity, but every time I try to ask someone, they just tell me to have faith or believe in God. Like, what does that even mean?
I understand your frustration. People often use those phrases as a way to avoid answering the tough questions. But I'm here to listen and help you understand. What are some of these questions that have been bothering you?
Well, for one thing, I don't get why Christians always seem so pushy and judgmental. It feels like they're trying to force their beliefs down my throat. Why can't they just let people live their lives?
I see what you mean. It's true that some Christians can come across as overzealous or even hurtful, but that's not the way I intended for my message to be spread. My teachings are about love, compassion, and understanding, not coercion or condemnation.
Yeah, right. But what about all the wars and violence that have been committed in the name of Christianity? How can you justify that?
I weep over those tragedies. The actions of some individuals do not represent the true spirit of Christianity. My teachings emphasize the importance of loving one's neighbors and enemies alike. When people hurt others in my name, they are not following my teachings.
Okay, fine. But what about all the outdated rules and regulations in the Bible? Like, why can't I just love whoever I want, without some ancient book telling me it's wrong?
Ah, Alex, you are thinking about the laws and rules of the Old Testament. Those were given to the Israelites in a specific time and context. My teachings, on the other hand, focus on the heart and the intentions behind our actions. Love is the central theme of my message, but I also teach that love is not just a feeling but a choice. And sometimes that choice requires self-sacrifice and discipline.
So, you're saying I have to sacrifice my own desires and happiness for some greater good? That sounds like just another form of control.
Alex, it's not about sacrificing your happiness for some external authority. It's about understanding that our choices have consequences, not just for ourselves, but for those around us. When we choose to love and care for others, we create a ripple effect of kindness and compassion. That's the freedom I offer, the freedom to choose love in life, rather than just following our own desires.
I never thought of it that way. But what about all the bad things that happen in the world? If you're so all-powerful, why can't you just fix everything?
Ah, Alex, that's a question that has puzzled many people for centuries. I don't have an easy answer, but I can tell you this. The world is a complex and beautiful tapestry, woven from the choices and actions of countless individuals. While I could, in theory, fix everything, that would undermine the very essence of human freedom and creativity. Instead, I offer my presence and guidance to help people navigate the challenges of life.
I think I understand a little better now, but I still have a lot of questions.
That's okay, Alex. I'm here to listen and help. Take your time and let's explore these questions together.